Earlier this year, Ilebek Avetian was left in a vegetative state after a Scrambler bike landed on him in a park. The sun was shining, you're sunbathing, he had his head on your leg, you're listening to music. Tell me about when the motorbike came over you.
She will never wish anyone to go through the same. She looked at herself, she was all covered in blood. And the husband turned on the left side, and Angela understood that there is no face. She didn't realize that it was her screaming. Angela was screaming from what she'd seen.
You were injured, you had a fractured pelvis. Your husband Ilebek had a catastrophic head injury. How is Ilebek now?
I can't describe my feelings. Other people are living, enjoying the life, but we are struggling and fighting for life. Yesterday, I was talking to him, sitting beside his bed in the unit, calling him. He can't move, he can't hold his head. We were told that he might not stay alive. And this 3 months, his condition is not stable at all. It's changing every second. He always wanted to come here and live. He was saying to Angela that this country is beautiful and amazing.
Was anyone charged with this? Was anyone? Was there any legal fallout for the person that drove over you?
No, nobody.
I know that there has been some crowdfunding, that people have raised some money to help support you.
People are transferring money still on the... Angela is saying that she will fight for him, for his life.